Motivated sellers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to see this 3/2/2 that boasts character. Forget about the cookie cutter being built these days. Home features 2 living area, 2 dining areas plus a breakfast bar. New roof in 2023 and absolutely no flooding during any of the storms. No flood zone. Home boasts 3 set of patio sliding doors, 1 set hides away, as well as 2 pool access baths, main house and master. Master has walk-in shower, and guest bath has tub/shower combo. Both porches are screened, allowing for a fresh breeze during those winter months. Rear yard is completely enclosed with 6-foot white vinyl fence, and is massive for the possibility of adding a large pool. Master bedroom. 1 dining room and living room have LVP floors. Kitchen, dining room and living room number 2 have tile, and 2 guest rooms are carpeted. Exterior painted in 2023. Kitchen and both baths feature granite countertops. Assessments are in and paid. HVAC has blue light, mold prevention, and is serviced regularly. Irrigation